How to add music to videos on Vimeo. Hello, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add music to your videos on Vimeo. It is very simple, so follow along. The first step is to log in into your Vimeo account and then move to the left side of the screen where you can see options like home, library, live events, showcases, analytics, and click on library. Clicking on library, you go to your library page. On this page, you can see the different videos that you have available. So select the video that you would like to add music to. By selecting the video, you will be brought to the video settings page. So on this page, you can see different options, right? Then move to the left side of the screen where you can see some controls like player, subtitles, and audio interactive edit. So click on edit, and then you'll be brought to the editing page. You can see the different ways whereby you can edit the video. You can trim it, you have the editor, and then you can see make a gif. So click on editor, and by clicking on editor, you'll be redirected to the editor's page. All right, so wait for it to load. All right, once that's loaded, the next step is for you to move to the left side of the screen again, where you can see options like templates, text, graphics, music. So click on music, and then we have featured music on the website. We have all music, and then we also have uploads. Uploads refers to the music that your system on your PC and you want to upload them. You want to make use of the music on your PC for the video. All right, so if you have a particular music in mind, just click on uploads, click on the upload icon here, select I agree, and you'll be redirected to your computer files. So locate where the music where the songs are or the music is, and then select the music. All right, but then if you want to make use of the featured music on the Vimeo account, just select the one that works better for you. After selecting it, the music will be added automatically to your song, and then you can decide to do whatever edits you have left, you have for video. If you want to add colors or whatever, and then move to the top right corner once you're done and click on save, and the music will be successfully added to your Vimeo account. So this is how it works. This is how you can add music to your videos on Vimeo. Very easy. Go ahead and try it. Thank you for watching.